the skills needed to be an effective finance officer?
Ay, ang babata pa ninyo, but you know what? You will learn later on that the skills needed evolve. It changes as you go through different jobs and as you move along, let's say the corporate ladder, it changes. Example, you start off as, let's say, an accountant. Ano ba ang kailangan sa accountant? Sometimes ang accountant, very good ka dapat sa technical skills. So, na-experience ni Krisha on her, yung talagang bugbog sarado siya, duling na siya sa Excel. Kasi yung buong 8 hours of work here at Nosai, nakaharap siya talaga sa Excel. And unfortunately, that is what is required with her position. But in order for her to, let's say, for that's the work of the accountant, no, you have to be very good technically. Does it require you to have very good skills in, let's say, handling people? A little bit, because may interaction ka naman with people, but not so much, right? Does it require you, for example, to have very good presentation skills? Hindi naman masyado. Ano bang mga reports mo kung accountant ka? Unless na you are required to. Not so much. But it evolves. Kasi pag accountant ka, ganito. But kung magaling ka, magiging supervisor ka, maghahawak ka na ng tao. So aside from maghahawak ka na ng tao, are you still doing a lot of technical? Yes, you are. But it has evolved. Iba na ngayon. Let's say from accountant, naging officer ka na. Kahit hindi ka pa supervisor, officer ka. So kung level 1, ang technical mo, naging level 2 ang technical mo. But then you become supervisor. It requires you to have very good people skills na. Dapat marunong ka na magkawak ng tao. Do you do a lot of technical skills? Not really, not anymore. And then, once you become a manager, mas lalo na. So it's not just about handling people, but also about handling the company. Yung networking mo, how do you relate to the other departments? How do you think strategically? So, in terms of skills, I think really it's the skill to learn. It's the skill to learn. Ano bang skills na kailangan? Technically, ready ka na. I mean, if you've graduated and you've graduated accountancy, it's there. Technical skills are there. But really, it's the skill to learn na kailangan nandun. Na kailangan marunong ka mag-adapt sa kung ano ba ng needs ng posisyon mo.